First, we perform this multiplication, 5 over 10 multiplied by 10. The 10s simplify with each other, and only 5 remains. At the end, 10 divided by 5 gives us 2, and our final answer is 2. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules of mathematics. This rule is called the order of operations. What is the order of operations? When a mathematical expression contains several different operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, roots, and parentheses, these operations must be performed in a specific order to reach the correct answer. In simple terms, the order of operations tells us where to start the calculation so that we reach the correct answer. To understand the order of operations, pay attention to this example. For minus 3 times 2. First, if we subtract 3 from 4, we get 1. And 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2. But if we first multiply 3 by 2, we get 6. And 4 minus 6 gives us negative 2. So which answer do you think is correct now, 2 or negative 2? This is where the order of operations becomes important. To prevent disorder and confusion in mathematics, mathematicians agreed on a universal rule called the correct order of operations. This rule is known by a short and simple acronym called PEMDAS, and each letter in the word PEMDAS stands for a specific step. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents, after the exponents we perform the multiplications and divisions, and finally we do the additions and subtractions. Multiplication and division have equal priority, so whenever both appear in an expression, move from left to right and perform whichever you reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. To better understand PEMDAS, let's solve a few examples. Before solving the examples, please like this video right now, and to make sure you do not miss future specialized lessons, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. 2 multiplied by 2 minus open parenthesis 2 plus 2 close parenthesis. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses in any expression, so 2 plus 2 gives us 4. And the expression becomes 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4. Since multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, we perform the multiplication first. 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. And finally 4 minus 4 gives us 0, and 0 is our final answer. For minus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4. In this expression, there is subtraction, multiplication, and addition. Since multiplication has higher priority, we perform it first. 4 multiplied by 4 gives 16. And the expression becomes 4 minus 16 plus 4. Now we have both subtraction and addition, and since they have equal priority, we move from left to right, performing whichever comes first. First, we do the subtraction. 4 minus 16 gives negative 12. And finally, negative 12 plus 4 gives negative 8, so, negative 8 is our final answer. If you're ready, now we can solve the question from the beginning of the video together, but before we start, if you haven't liked the video, please do so, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. These actions won't take much of your time, but they help me a lot. 10 divided by 5 over 10 multiplied by 10, here, we have both division and multiplication, and since they have equal priority, we move from left to right, performing whichever comes first, so in this expression, we perform the division first. To solve this part of the question, we use the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Here's how it works: keep the first number as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, flip the second number, take its reciprocal. According to the KCF rule, we keep 10 unchanged and change the division into multiplication. The 5 over 10 is inverted and becomes 10 over 5. 10 over 5 equals 2. So the expression becomes 10 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10, and our final answer is 200. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.